Hello everyone, this is Kumar back in my channel at Saimati GM. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about transformation in the retail sector. Pretty much I'm going to be giving some basic talk about artificial intelligence, augmented reality and other emerging technologies and how these technologies have impacted the retail sector. Pretty much the pandemic forced the retail sector to adopt technology faster than it already was. Way back in 2021, a report by market research and advisory firm Forrester noted that India's retail growth shrunk from first time amid lockdowns and a drop in India's gross domestic product. But this didn't slow down the online retail sector. While pretty much the brick and mortar retail sector had a large amount of slowdown, online retail sector did not see this kind of a slowdown. They still grew at almost 5%, adding more than $1.5 billion in sales. There has been significant adoption of technology in retail sector, and pretty much artificial intelligence, augmented reality and other emerging technologies played very critical roles in the retail sector. Pretty much what then was the potential impact of the pandemic in the retail sector? And I just want to talk briefly about what role artificial intelligence played during this pandemic period. While the retail sector had been planning for changing customer preferences, it's no great secret that the pandemic really accelerated the customers' shift to what we really call omni-channel retail sales. The pandemic caused really safety concerns for consumers. The needs for customers have changed because of it. Online pickup and delivery have flourished to a larger extent. Artificial intelligence has played a tremendous role in what retail business do, from offering delightful customer experience to planning replenishment and flow of goods. AI, what we call as enable retail to know the inventory placement, where the demand is and whether the inventory is reaching the right store for the audience. Now let's really look at whether artificial intelligence can really help these offline retailers get their customers back, so sort of winning back their customers. The same way it potentially helped the online ones get really actionable insights. Typically customers are increasingly going to shop how, when and where they want. That's the way the trend has moved. It is important to focus on what customers want. Data and artificial intelligence are enabling true one-to-one personalization at scale across digital channels. The same AI that is used for personalization in online stores is also helping offer personalized experiences in an offline store and understanding what is needed in that store. It doesn't matter what the channel is. The gap between offline and online has really blurred into an omni-channel experience. A store may not be a single point for the customers to shop anymore and can be used for the fulfillment of orders as well. Online retail has really experimented with artificial reality, virtual reality, but adoption has been limited. Retail businesses are already using artificial reality in the background of sorting products. One can point a phone in the back room and it will use AR to highlight the case you are looking for. So there are really to a larger extent challenges in supply chain visibility. Where these challenges come from and what the transformation is happening is through artificial intelligence, blockchain and robotics. Moving merchandise from a supplier to a store or directly to a customer's home is incredibly complex. It starts with consumer demand, in any geographical region. That is where artificial intelligence and machine learning play an important part. If you really know the consumer demand, one will know the amount of inventory that needs to be placed at the location. The second thing is tracking and tracing the inventory. Today we have a lot of technologies for efficient payment, reflow, route optimization and planning. The third important thing is a multi-vendor negotiation where one wants to assess the damage when the product was shipped. Blockchain can not only help you manage inventory better, but will allow for better smart contracts between suppliers and merchants, and will help in the financial settlement. Artificial intelligence, machine learning has become a key to understanding demand, social shopping, behaviors, flow, and route optimization to ensure businesses are not wasting anything in the process. When you really have a sufficient scale and you want a consistency of experience, that is where automation and robotics play an important role. It helps one to be more predictable and consistent in what to deliver. Really, on one side, retailers are really using digital twins, artificial reality, virtual reality, augmented reality, virtual reality in the supply chain to see how they can operate and train better. Having said, about artificial intelligence, blockchain, robotics, and briefly how they have impacted the retail sector. When we really want to talk about India's growth as a technology provider in the sector, the market, really the talent market across a variety of technology areas is very advanced, and retail sector are already diving deep into this pool. Machine learning, data analytics, artificial intelligence, product expertise, cloud computing, you name it, and chances are there is a skilled community already thriving across India. So definitely AI has played a great role in the retail sector, and this just completes my brief talk on just a primer on what AI and robotics had done to the retail sector. Please share your thoughts and feedbacks on this channel, and thanks for listening to my talk. Thank you.